Hello everyone. Before we do anything, we all think a lot about it. Is this the right thing to do? What if I fail? What if something goes wrong? Am I really capable of doing this? Etc. This can make you hesitate to try something, and if you have negative comments from people around you, you can get into a deeper rut. Stick to what you're doing. That's not for you. Do you really think you can do this? And so on. It's often assumed that a long period of reflection minimizes failure, and there's nothing wrong with that, but only if you have a clear purpose and goal. More often than not, overthinking just takes time and you may miss the boat. In fact, whether you execute after a long deliberative process or a short deliberative process, you're going to keep running into new and different problems along the way. No matter what you do, you're going to run into unexpected things, and a long deliberation process doesn't mean you won't run into problems. So once you've decided to do something, the fastest way to get to your goal is to take action before it's too late. Of course, taking action doesn't mean you will achieve your goal, but the experience you gain from every step you take adds to your skill set. You gain experience, and that experience is something you can't create with anything else. You don't get it by thinking about it, you don't get it by reading a lot of books, or you don't get it by taking advice. If you have a great mentor through all of this, that's great. They can teach you skills and give you tips to solve problems in execution. But even if you don't, you can still get experience and you can add to your knowledge and you can put things together to make it your own. So if you're thinking about doing something today, why don't you stop thinking about it and just do it? It doesn't have to be big. It doesn't have to be amazing. You can start small, and as you gain experience, it'll become a tremendous skill and solidify the path you want to take.